We're here off the 18th green at the Four Seasons in Las Colinas, celebrating our 25th anniversary.
25 years. What does it mean? I get up every day, coming to work, looking forward to the people I get to work with. The culture is amazing. There's opportunities here, and it's just great to see that the company's been around 25 years, and I look forward to another 25 years.
I absolutely love being part of Pioneer. It feels like one gigantic family. I feel so appreciated and welcome, and I just feel like this is where I'm supposed to be.
Thank you, Pioneer, for all you've done for us over the past 25 years. I'm excited that I've been a part of a team that's able to contribute, to change the way we do business, to innovate, and to really feel like I'm part of the family here.
The Kids Zone was really great. We got to do arts and crafts, arcade games, a lot of drinks, have a lot of desserts, and food filled my stomach, so that was great.
So I've been at Pioneer for nearly 20 years of the 25 years that Pioneer's been in existence. I've seen Pioneer change from an exploration-centric company to the Permian powerhouse it is today. It's been fascinating to watch it grow and still watch it grow from a smaller family to a much larger one.
It's the greatest company I've ever experienced, but more than anything else, it's changed me. It's made me a better person. The teamwork that we have at the company, the approach that we take in problem solving, the innovation, how we manage risk, how we capture opportunity is something that's unparalleled anywhere else.
Thank you, Pioneer, for putting on a wonderful celebration. Thank you for letting us be part of it.
Thank you, Pioneer, for what you've done for the Paulson family, and thank you for what you've done for the families here tonight.
Thank you, Pioneer.
Thank you, Pioneer, for such a fun night.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Pioneer.